Hi everybody, it's Liliana again. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry. I have so many projects. I have the podcast. I hope you're supporting that in the Dreams Portal. And I'm also preparing some things that I'll be announcing at the end of the year. But I'm back for this because it's the fall. It's the most wonderful time of the year. At least it is for me. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to use crystals during the fall season. So let's get to them. So let's see how to use these crystals with the themes of the fall. So number one, thinning of the veil. And the harvest supermoon on the 29th. This is a great timing for shadow work, to release, and to celebrate your new energy. If you want to use crystals for these, selenite and the different types of moonstones are the ones for the job. Don't forget to ground and center yourself and strengthen your aura. I have talked about these crystals in other videos. Check them out in the description box below. Number two, I also feel this is a good season to experiment with another modality. Let me explain. If you are into crystals like me, maybe pick up on cards. Cards were my first love in this path, and though my favorite is the tarot, I decided to get serious about studying Lenormand, which is an oracle system that goes back to the 18th century France. Crystals that support your learning activities are those good to study and to have clarity. Fluorides, optical calcite, and clear quartz. You can also check the video about crystals for psychic abilities. Number three, honor your ancestors. Remember legends, myths, and carry on traditions. This includes the celebrations of Halloween, my favorite holiday. Check my video on crystals for witches, Samhain, Day of the Dead, and All Saints' Day. There are many ways ancestors are remembered and honored. Some use candles and say prayers, others visit their graves, and others offer flowers, and in some cultures, food offerings. How about crystal infused candles? Infuse them with any crystal that reminds you of that person. Trust your intuition. Remember them in love and light, not sorrow or loss. Celebrate them. Number four, celebrate the harvest in physical and metaphorical ways and do acts of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibration emotions and key to manifesting because it's the gift that keeps giving. How about a crystal grid? And number five, in traditional Chinese medicine, the fall is the season of the metal element. And metals are crystals too. Check this video on the 7 metals of alchemy and what you can do with these crystals. I hope this will get you started and may you have a wonderful fall, many things to be grateful for, and many more to look forward to. Don't forget to check these videos, hit subscribe and like, and share. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.